We were sent this electric wiggle car. The assembly looks pretty straightforward. It comes primarily all assembled. We have a steering wheel here. We have the front wiggle control, and that's going to go through here. It comes with Phillips screwdriver, which also looks like it has a nut adapter to it and has the charger for it. And then it also comes with spare parts in case you need some spare parts. The parts that are needed are already on here. So we're going to be able to utilize the parts that are here, put it together, charge it up, and show you how it works.
And then pause, and then here's some lights. And also, two people can go on it.
So it turns really, really well. And surprisingly, this thing can go up to 170 pounds. Also miles per hour, it goes about 2.8 to 4.1 miles per hour. So not a crazy high amount of speed on it. Without pushing the pedal, I can also move this just as I'm moving the steering wheel. So like a traditional wiggle car. Fun for adults, but I'd say it's really designed for kids. And then another cool feature, if you hit this yellow button, you can change the LED lights, which is really fun as well. So different colors and strips on that. There's also the music options. And you can skip songs, change songs, pause if you want to pause. So super fun to ride around. And I think you and your kids are going to enjoy this.